Hi, my name's Sarah Collins and I teach business studies here at Holy Cross. So why would you want to study business with us? The main reason is we've got something for everyone. We offer both A-level and BTEC business. BTEC is a mix of exams, coursework and controlled assessments, whereas A-level is purely exam based with 3 exams right at the end of the course. In terms of content, they are quite similar. In the BTEC, we will look at marketing, finance and recruitment and selection, and we'll go into great depth with these. Whereas on the A-level, we'll look at these, but we'll also cover operations, HR, aspects of accounting, just to name a few. It doesn't matter which route that you choose, you will enjoy investigating real businesses. For example, do you know the reason why Primark doesn't engage in a full online distribution platform? This is because over 80% of UK shoppers purchase online. However, 63% of these purchases are returned. This would increase Primark's costs and therefore not make it viable to operate on their margins. We often get asked what subjects complement business. The answer is anything. One day you will be working for a business or running your own business. So subjects can include accounting, drama, history, the arts, just to name a few. Students' destinations include going on to universities at universities such as Cambridge, Manchester, Lancaster and many more. We also have students that have been successful on prestigious apprenticeships programmes such as KPMG, RBS, JD. Whatever you decide to do in the future, business will help you on the journey towards that.